Hey, it's Jonathan with CDI Doors, and today we're going to show you how to find hinge locations on a door. This applies to metal doors, steel doors, and wood doors. We know there's different heights, so we've got 6'8", 7 foot, and 8 foot. When it comes to the hinges on how many goes on that door, 3 hinges go for the 6'8" and the 7'0", and then 4 hinges for 8-foot doors. Now, the two lock preps that we're going to be talking about when finding our measurements is the 161 prep and the 86 prep. So today we're going to find out and show you how to get the hinge locations on a door, whether it's metal, steel, or wood, and we're going to show you guys how to do that today. Okay, so first things first, step number 1. What you want to do is grab the existing door. You want to grab the existing door, grab your tape measure, and step number 1, you want to pull from the top of the door and get that first hinge measurement, and it's got to be right on the money. As we see, 7 3/8 right there. That is step number 1. Step number 2, you want to pull down to the second hinge, and that's going to show 39 5/16. That's step number 2. Step number 3, you're going to pull down to the very last hinge, and here we have 71 1/4. And that's exactly how you find the hinge locations on a door. If you had an 8-foot door, you go one more time straight down, just like we did in step 1, 2, and 3. That is how you find the hinge measurements. And now here's the thing. What you don't want to do is you do not want to pull from the bottom of the door. You want to locate the top, and most of the time they're going to have a top cap. Okay, the bottom you'll be able to stick your fingers in, but the top is going to have a cap. And you always pull from the top of the door down. So we went through those steps. Step number 1, top of the door to the top of the first hinge. Step number 2, top of the door, top of the second hinge. And step number 3, top of the door, top of the third hinge. That's exactly how you find the hinge locations that you're needing. Now, if you have a lever lock, if you have an exit device with a trim lever on the outside, this is where we're talking about our preps. Today we have the 161 prep, comes directly from the manufacturer, and you want to make sure that you know this location as well. And here's the cool thing. You do it exactly the same way. So step number 4, you pull from the top of the door, and you want to go right down to the center. Right down to the center, and it's really good to have a tape measure with fractions so that you can see exactly where it's at. And right now we're sitting at about 43 9/16. That is the center. So that is it, guys, and I hope that you learned it. We've got hinge forms, measurement guides that we can email you to help this process be a ton better, easier for you guys. Let us take the load off and let us make it easier for you guys to get the exact door that you need. My name is Jonathan with CDI Doors, and we love to have you guys out, and let us know if there's anything else we could do. Thank you guys for choosing CDI.